Hello, my name is Erwin Arizo, and I am excited to finally show you my final project. I created a database for Girl Scout Troop number 56803 to help keep track of their cookie sales. I chose this project because I helped volunteer for my daughter's Girl Scout troop, which sold more than 4,000 boxes of cookies this year. By creating this database, I was eager to show my daughter and my wife, who is the troop leader, the behind-the-scenes data management that is required to keep orderly track of sales, customers, and more. First, I want to show you the ER diagram I created using Lucidchart. These are the 8 tables that I manually drew: the delivery address, online orders, customers, Girl Scouts, booth locations, cookie types, booth orders, and troop volunteers. Within the diagram, I also designated which would be the primary keys and also which would be the foreign keys. These are the data values or attributes that I'm going to assign for each column. The integers, varchars, and nchars, and one date. These are cardinalities. All of my cardinalities are one to many. Based on what I had manually created in Lucidchart, I was able to use that as my blueprint for the structure of my database and SQL server. After creating the tables in SQL, my manual chart came to life and became a database object in my Girl Scout Cookies database as its own ER diagram. We can see the diagram by selecting it and choosing Modify. I enabled the labeling of the relationships to further clarify which table contains the foreign key in relation to its connected table. For example, here it shows that booth locations contains the foreign key TV ID, which is the primary key in the troop volunteers table, which is of course also TV ID. Here is an example of my entering data into my table called Cookie Types. You right-click and select Edit Top 200 Rows. Down here I'm going to enter Cookie ID 31592. Enter a delicious cookie called Lemon Ups and assign it a price of 5. Press Tab, and then I'm going to right click on the table again and select Top 1000 Rows. You can see here that Yummy Yummy Lemon Ups has been entered and recorded in the database. Here I created some awesome database views. For example, I will show one view called Cookies 1. I'll right click on it and then choose Design. Here you can see how the tables are their relationship. This is called the diagram pane. This is called the criteria pane, the SQL pane, and the results pane, all of which I enabled by pressing each of their corresponding buttons up here. I have as an example here in the SQL pane, I want to look for address ID 8112. Sorry, over down here. I right click and choose Execute, SQL, and down here in the results pane shows 8112. I hope that you have enjoyed seeing my final project, a little bit of how it works, and my ER diagrams. And I also hope that the next time you buy Girl Scout cookies, you will remember how all that data is being tracked behind the scenes. Thank you, and thank you for watching.